All right, it's kind of move-in day here. We just got into the shop. Basically, Antonio had his priorities mixed up, so he's actually at a job site this morning instead of moving into our shop. So we're going to move in tomorrow. Got all of the paperwork and everything done today. So we've got our space. So it's a 20 by 30 space, luxurious space that we've got around us here. That we're going to be using for being able to get 2 vehicles in here and then room for all of our tools down the end. So everything that we've got is essentially these 2 bays, these 2 beams that are here are going to be coming down, so we get a little bit more space in the middle, and likely we'll be taking this barrier wall down here that's in between the 2 as well. So we've got 2 different breaker panels at the back, so all of our tools and our workspace area is going to be at the back here. And then essentially the 2 cars are going to be out in this main area where we'll be able to work on the Nemesis, and the 350Z are going to be out in the back end of here. So it's pretty cool. Got, fire suppression and everything inside here. Everything's insulated. We've got in-floor heating as well, so we got radiant heating in the wintertime. As you can tell, we've got some neighbors with some music going on here. So that's pretty cool. So today, basically I crammed whatever I could into the back of the F-Pace that we're able to kind of just drop off a few things here. Picked up a new creeper so that you can kind of just get a couple things put into the shop today. So tomorrow we'll move everything in the big haul with the pickup truck with all the different tools in the back, and we'll start getting a few of the different things set up. Then we'll start tearing down some of this space here and putting into our shelving and workbenches and everything so we can get working on stuff. So that's the start. We'll kind of cut to the next little bit when we start moving in with some tools.
A few moments later.
And we're back. Like I said before, Antonio now has his priorities in order. Instead of working yesterday morning, he's over here helping get everything loaded into the garage. So he's over there standing, looking very, very manly. So we're going to get everything loaded into the garage. This is the first load of tools, essentially my set of tools. Antonio's got a bunch that he's bringing in here too. So we'll get everything loaded in. And then hopefully Friday night I'm able to come in and take down this wall and some of these supporting beams as well, so we can start to get the rest of the workshop stuff set up. So really, it's time to start. I've got my cameras doing all sorts of crazy things. Time to start moving in and getting this place all configured. Just like that, we're moved in. Didn't take long at all, so Antonio's going to be dropping some more stuff off over here. As you can tell in this area, we've got lots of engine noise and everything. We just had somebody going by on a drift trike out there, so we should be able to have a lot of fun in the shop. Got everything all moved in. Next drop, we'll be dropping off some more tools and starting to get this wall cut down here. Get it out of the way so that we can start building in our shelves and workbenches. But overall, successful first move in, and next step is really start building things up. So stay tuned.